What's up? While it may not sound like a lot of money, but making just $5 a day from your cell phone can help out in many ways. I mean, $5 can be used to tip at a restaurant, pay for gas, or to slowly help contribute to your savings or even pay off debt. So in this video today, I'm going to give you a quick rundown on 5 ways that you can make $5 a day from your cell phone with little effort. And if you're new to the channel, hi, my name is Josh, and I upload videos every week about all things related to your finances. So if you care about your financial future and you care about your money, go ahead and obliterate that like button and also click that red subscribe button until it turns gray, and that way you don't miss anything. So let's go ahead with the list, and here are 5 ways how you can make $5 a day from your cell phone for free. Let's get started. Number 1, survey sites. Survey sites are one of the easiest ways that you can make money right there on your phone. Taking surveys will only take a few minutes of your time to complete, and it can be done almost anywhere that you have an internet connection. And also you have sites like Survey Junkie or Swagbucks, and with Swagbucks they will give you a $10 bonus just for signing up by using my link down below. And one of my favorite ones would be Surveys on the Go, because with Surveys on the Go, even if you don't qualify, you will still earn 10 cents just by clicking on it, which may not sound like a lot, but over the course of a month, but 10 cents here, 10 cents there, I normally rack up about $10 a month in just those 10-cent surveys that I didn't qualify for anyway. So you're not going to get rich off of it. However, it is extra money that you can put in your pocket by even not qualifying for the survey. Number 2, Ibotta. Cashback apps are really a great, simple way that you can put money back into your pocket. Now, some people, they will argue that first you have to spend money in order to get money back, so you're not really making money. But the thing is, if you are already going to buy an item in the first place, why not get money back on that? And the great thing with Ibotta is it also works with other discounts at the store. So if you get cash back, and sometimes you may get 20% off, and if the store is giving 20% off, you just receive that item about half off. And make sure that you don't go to the store just to buy something just because you get cash back and you wasn't intending on buying that item in the first place, because then you just defeated the whole purpose. So you don't want to buy things that you really don't need just to get a few pennies off of that. Ibotta is available on iOS and also Android devices. I use it to make money by simply scanning receipts whenever I go to the grocery store. And each grocery store run, I make about $5, and it's free, and all it is required for you to do is scan your receipts, and they will put the money back into your account. And you again can get a sign up bonus up to $20 by using my link that I'm linking down below. Now, number 3, we have Dash. Dash finds money from your shopping, dining out, booking hotels, and traveling activities, restaurants, whatever. They have about 100,000 merchants out there. And this company not only allows you to earn cash back on everyday purchases, but I really like Dash because now, unlike Ibotta, you don't have to worry about scanning receipts. You don't have to worry about keeping up with them, because you link your card, and anytime that you go to one of the merchants that they're partnered with, you scan that card, you automatically get the cash back right to your account. And this is always like a bit surprise and a bit bonus for me, because sometimes I don't even know that certain vendors are affiliated with Dash, and next thing you know, I get a push notification on my phone saying like, hey, you earned 65 cents off of that purchase, or hey, you earned $2 off of that purchase. It's really always a good treat just to know that you are constantly getting money into your account. And you can get a $5 bonus by signing up using the link that I'm putting down in the description box below for Dash. Number 4, Consider cutting back on your bills. Look at your budget, look at your spending plan, and see where you can trim out money that you don't necessarily need to spend. And there's also an app and a website called Trim. Trim lets you save money by automation, and also within a few days, they can save you up to $15 fast. Trim analyze your spending patterns, and they look for ways that you can take action to help you save money. And this app can also help you negotiate your cable bill, your internet bill, your phone, and also medical expenses. And this app is so cool that they can even go and cancel old subscriptions, the ones that you didn't know that you still have, and it can do so much more in order to help you save money. And number 5, we have freelance services. If you have a skill, a trade, or even a talent, you may want to consider freelance services. You have websites and apps like Fiverr that makes it easy for you to connect with clients. And the best thing is you can do this right from your phone. And this is how it works. People will look for a job to be done, so they will go on Fiverr. You as a seller, you will put your services on Fiverr, and if someone selects you for the job, they pay Fiverr in advance for the order, and after you complete the job, you get to keep 80% of each gig that you successfully complete and deliver to your customer. So for example, if you have a gig that's $5 and you sell that, and after the person take delivery, your account will be credited $4. So by being a freelancer, you get to run your own business, you get to choose the clients and projects that you want to work with, and you also have the freedom and the flexibility to control when, where, and how you work. And I show you how you can set up your Fiverr account step by step in the top video right over there. Subscribe by clicking the icon right here, and that way you don't miss anything. Check out my wife's channel too. It's here on the video. We'll greatly appreciate it. And I will see you in the next video.